Thanks for joining me. It finished at Molineux on Saturday the 30th of November 2024, Wolves 2, Bournemouth 4. And I suppose the first talking point is the starting 11. He picked up unchanged starting 11 from the win at Fulham last week, which meant that the only recognised centre-half was Totti Gomez. The selection, I suppose maybe you could argue that he was between a rock and a hard place, because people say don't change a winning starting 11, but others say that our regular centre-halves are two, which missed the last game, Dawson and Santi Bueno. They were fully fit, and they'd say that the last time they played they kept a clean sheet, and we beat Southampton 2-0. But the starting 11, I suppose that's what cost us today, because last week when we won at Fulham, fortune was on our side, because Fulham did hit the woodwork 3 times. Raul Jimenez missed that sitter, the woodwork. There was Wilson's shot, hit the bar, and there was Nori, he crashed a clearance against our own bar. So it's fine margins. Last week it could have been very different, and if it wasn't for inspired performances by the captain, Lamina, and Matheus Cunha, which everybody's been raving about all week, it could have been different. But 4-2, really, it's the story of our season. We're scoring goals. 2 for Strand Larsen. He's almost level. I think he's about 6 now, just 1 behind Cunha. And but I can't remember, maybe somebody will correct me soon, but I can't ever remember a game with 3 penalties and 2 against our goalie. So Clive got himself a hat-trick without having to work too hard. Calamitous defending. And another good thing for us is that none of the teams at the bottom won. We're down the bottom 3 again, because Palace took a point and moved up. Southampton got a point as well, but Ipswich lost. But there's 2 difficult away games coming up. We've got West Ham away and Everton, and you're never guaranteed a win away in the Premier. Our away games are always hard, and those teams are down with struggling as well, so they'll be fancying that. And then the 14th of December we're at home to Ipswich. I got my ticket the other day for that one, but we're down there. It was a good tonic last week after the win, but reality strikes again. 4-2. Obviously there's going to be, quite rightly so, question marks against the defending. You've got to play your strongest 11, even though last week we had a good win at Fulham, and the makeshift defence did well, but it cost us the game today, having the regular centre-halves not starting. But hopefully we'll learn from that, go again, start moving up the table. But it was a disastrous day losing at home, because earlier in the year, late last season, they walked all over us, and they won 2-1 at Molineux, but we won there. And when Sasa Kalajic scored as well, and I think Cunha got the other goal, we won away, and they had 1 sent off. But we've got to dust ourselves off and start picking up points, because we're still in trouble, and we've got to get behind the team. But the Wolves, thank you.